All right, guys, it's Ryan here, AOCleaning again. How you guys doing today? We are on a sanding job and refinishing, and let me show you what we're doing. We already did this right here already. Already did the edge work. It's my guy Jerry Senior on it. Say hi to everybody. Barrel saved right now. As you can see, everybody, we got this done right here. We still gotta do this. So we're gonna go with a dark walnut stain and a satin finish. Good. Very good. Great job, Jerry. All right, guys, we are here. We're getting ready to unload, get ready to start for our job. We've got our team here, and they are unloading the trailer as we speak, and we are ready to work. All right. Amazing. All right, Facebook, YouTube, we are actually staining. This is the guys at work. They're staining the floor, as you can see. This is the dark walnut color. This is the second day of the process, as you can see. Everything was responded well. The floors are sanded. It's ready. It's prepped. And now they're going to stain it. This area. That area. Of course, the foyer area. Man, it's going to look great. So he's already doing some edging there. Yes, sir. It's looking good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're actually installing the trim back up after we took it off. We cut it, painted it, and put it back. Looks good. Beautiful. All right, guys, we're attacking the floor, vacuuming it, and we're gonna attack it again so we can apply the second coat of poly. So that's what we're doing today, guys. And we are on it. We got another guy over there fixing the trim. All right. So you can see they took that off. Took that off, and then they're going to install that back, and we are good to go. All right. You got a video ready? Alright, guys. We're attacking today. We're going to vacuum this up and tack it. Then after that, we're going to apply the second coat of poly on this beautiful dark walnut finish. They installed the trim. They put that back up. Again, I finished these boards on there. They painted them, cut them, and installed them back. This client went with a higher trim. That's going to look really good. That's what they're doing now. Then our other guys is finishing the caulking it over there. Yeah. That's great. And then, very good. All right, Facebook, YouTube, that's what we're doing today. And after he gets done, he's gonna tack it, and then buff it out, and then apply another coat of poly. And this is gonna look beautiful. So, all right, guys, that's gonna do it. Stay tuned for the coating process and see some more results. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share this. Alright guys, this is the finished product of the dark walnut with a satin finish. As you can see, my project manager put everything back accordingly for the client, and this looks fantastic. Just beautiful. And we are going to come back and do some work in here for him at a later date, but this turned out good, guys. And we were actually going to schedule their duct cleaning here next week. After the sanding process, it's always a good idea to get the ducts done, so we're going to do the duct cleaning as well. But this all turned out great. Beautiful, beautiful hardwood. We also put the new 6-inch trim up as well for him. Painted it. Bathroom turned out nice. The light on there. Look at that, guys. Just beautiful. Get a laundry room for him. Turned out. Like I was telling the client, you want to wait a good 3 weeks to put any rugs back, which they will. That's what they'll do. And this turned out just phenomenal, guys. It's so beautiful, and we are pleased with it, as well as the client. All right, guys. And I want to mention too that we did put the 6-inch baseboard up for him, the trim. That turned out great. Custom fit. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.